There you go! Intelligent, right? So round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Regine. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Because this next part of our program will leave most people baffled and amazed. Even as we'll shuffle the numbers.
And you end up in debt. Oh, try as you may, you just can't.
Now let's call in our hybrid Maccaw, Rocky! Wow! Rocky, what a beautiful entrance!
Galing sa...
Trainer Duke, is Rocky ready? Go, Rocky! Solve the equation for us!
Which could use some enlarging.
And he gets the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Oh, I think Rocky is calculating. And I think he knows the answer. Let's see. And he gets the number 9. So 8 plus 11 is equals to 19. A round of applause for Rocky with Trainer Duke. This time, we need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone who wants to be our lucky volunteer for today, just raise your hands up and Trainer Mikey will choose one. Once again, we need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Alright, I think we got one. You will notice that the birds in our show